everyone, welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. Karnataka leads in MBBS seats. UP has the most medical colleges NMC data. The National Medical Commission has released state-wise data on MBBS, PG and super specialty courses across India's 780 medical colleges. As per the data, Karnataka leads with the highest number of MBBS seats, 12,545, followed by Uttar Pradesh with 12,475, Tamil Nadu with 12,050 and Maharashtra with 11,846 seats. Other states with significant MBBS seats include Telangana, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Pakistani MBBS graduates not allowed to practice in India, MOS Health. Union Minister of State for Health Srimati Anupriya Patel clarified that Indian nationals for overseas citizens of India with MBBS degree from Pakistan are not eligible to appear in the FMGE screening test or seek employment in India. This follows a 2022 notice by the National Medical Commission which specified that foreign medical graduates must clear the FMGE and undergo an internship to practice in India. Jabalpur Hospital Fire, High Court demands report on safety lapses, action taken. Following the tragic fire at New Life Multi-Speciality Hospital in Jabalpur which resulted in 8 deaths, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has instructed the committee investigating the incident to submit its report to the police. The court has also sought an action taken report regarding hospitals in Jabalpur operating in violation of safety regulations. PGIDS Rohtak PG resident accuses professor of abuse and assault, inquiry underway. A third-year postgraduate resident at PGIDS Rohtak Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery Department has accused Professor Dr. Solanki of prolonged mental, physical abuse and assault. In response, the institute has informed the inquiry committee, which includes the Dean of Student Welfare and the principal, to investigate the allegations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.